Hey you guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a wonderful life, of course. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my very first 2-in-1 tablet PC from CHUWI. This was gifted for review, but as always, all opinions will forever be mine. 2 years ago, I wanted a Surface Pro, but one, it's well over $1,200 US, and at the time, I also wanted to be able to play Genshin on it. But users said the device would get super hot and the fans were way too loud, and for that price, that was unacceptable. Now, the Hi10 Max doesn't come with top of the line specs since it's more of a budget PC. I got the bundle, which comes with a magnetic keyboard and an H7 stylus. For the specs, it comes with a 12th gen Intel 9 100 with Windows 11, which is perfect for multitasking, school or business work, cozy gaming, and most importantly, note-taking. It comes with a pretty sizable RAM and storage capacity. Even though it doesn't come with an actual graphics card, 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage will be good enough for editing and even Genshin, Honkai's, and Zone Zero, which are sort of demanding games that other cheaper PCs struggle with playing at times. It comes with a 3K resolution, 12.96-inch display, metal unibody design, and weighs 780 grams, which is pretty light compared to the Ace Magic laptop I unboxed last year. I actually ended up gifting that one to my sister for school and Roblox, and she hasn't had any issues with it yet, but the main con for me was the very loud and annoying trackpad. This one is very light to the touch, and so is the keyboard. I still prefer the MacBook's airy feel, but this one is up there for me. So throughout the video, I propped it incorrectly. You're supposed to bend the top part because the case will slide off if you don't. Yes, I'm a little slow at times, but you live and you learn. The stylus isn't attached to the PC and it's heavier than the Apple Pen, but not super heavy where it can be uncomfortable writing. It needs one AAA battery, which is included. Just make sure to remove the film on it. So I spent some time with this so I can give my thoughts on the Hi10 Max. You don't have to press any button to get the stylus to work. Once the tab is on, you can immediately get to tapping or writing. I personally wish they sold a matte screen protector to help light reflection and the paper-like feel when writing down notes, but that's a me issue. Streaming apps, browsing the web, and editing work seamlessly. You can multitask and have multiple windows open, but I forgot to show them on screen. But if you use a Windows computer, you already know how it looks. So I mainly focused on gaming for the majority of this video because I really wanted to see what it can handle, and I can say I was pretty surprised. Cozy gaming works like a dream, and to my surprise, so does Genshin. It will look a mess when you first boot it up, but let it get acclimated and it will cause no issue at the lowest settings. I wanted to try Infinity Nikki on this thing, but it looked like it would be too much for this device. Cuisineer is another game I got on the Steam sale a few weeks back. It's a dungeon crawler type of game where you also run a restaurant. I've only got a few minutes in, but I look forward on learning new recipes and chatting with the cute townfolk. Gourdlets is a sandbox game about building towns for cute vegetable folks. Now this is a very cozy game that you can also have hanging out on the bottom of the screen thanks to the idle window mode. So this pairs well with studying or working, but I've come to realize this year that I get bored easily with building games like these. Okay, so in my more younger days, I was uber obsessed with Fantage. I thought it was a fever dream, but I stumbled upon Starry Move on Reddit because I've been missing the OG open world fashion game. It's not the same. The outfits, graphics, and games don't hit like they used to, but it's cute for what it is, I guess. Integrated note-taking apps are pretty good, especially because it comes with palm rejection. Yes, you heard correctly, palm rejection. Honestly, at this point, there's no excuse for Android tabs or e-ink tabs not to have palm rejection. They go for the same price as this or even more. The whiteboard app is perfect for students and work, but I went ahead and used this for digital journaling instead. It's not super comfortable writing with the keyboard attached, so I will soon set it down to write more comfortably. There's different pen sizes, colors, features, and so on. Even though I manually clicked on the eraser to erase things, you can just easily press the button on the stylus. I just forgot about the feature until after the fact. I wish I was able to try out GoodNotes since I like the features more on that app, but I didn't want to buy it again since I already have it on my iPad. I also heard that the Windows GoodNotes version doesn't have all the same features that it has for Apple products for some reason.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
Now this is the other note-taking app that I like a bit better since it has more features like scribble eraser, lasso, and starring certain notes for super important notes. The only thing I'm kind of sad about is that with the lasso feature, you're not able to make the object smaller or bigger. Maybe you can and I'm just slow, but during this taping, I wasn't able to figure it out. For all my digital artists out there, this one can also handle your creative illustrations. I will link down below Itsgwenchan on YouTube. I also tried out Genshin, took better notes, and tested out Autodesk Sketchbook, so check them out. Overall, this is a really good budget 2-in-1 PC tab. I personally call it a 3-in-1 since it's compatible with a 4096 pressure level stylus. This isn't a well-known brand, so I'll try to come back in a couple of months on my shorts for an update for y'all. But don't be afraid to ask me questions or updates along the way. I'll try my best to answer them. But let me know what y'all think about the Hi10 Max so far. With all that being said, that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching another cozy-ish unboxing and review session with me. Please stay safe and take care of yourselves. See you in the next one. Deuces.